motor and rolling along. C is for cable car, climbing so high, gliding on wires up into the sky. D is for dump truck, hauling a load, rumbling down the bumpy road. E is for electric bus, quiet and clean, taking you places without gasoline. F is for fire truck, siren so loud, spraying out water in a powerful cloud. G is for go-kart, racing with speed, zipping around, who will take the lead? H is for helicopter, spinning its blades, flying so high over mountains and glades. I is for ice cream truck, playing a tune, bringing sweet treats in the heat of June. J is for jet plane, soaring so fast, crossing the sky, no time to be last. K is for kayak, floating with ease, paddling gently across the blue seas. L is for locomotive, chugging with steam, pulling its train like a dream. M is for motorbike, vrooming so loud, speeding past cars, weaving through crowds. N is for naval ship, big and so grand, sailing the ocean, defending the land. O is for off-road jeep, bouncing around, climbing up hills and rolling back down. P is for police car, flashing its light, keeping the city safe day and night. Q is for quad bike, zooming with glee, riding through mud as wild as can be. R is for rocket, blasting so high, off to the moon, up into the sky. S is for submarine, deep down below, exploring the ocean where few people go. T is for taxi, honking away, driving through traffic all night and all day. U is for unicycle, tricky but neat, balancing carefully on just one seat. V is for van, carrying things, delivering packages, food or some swings. W is the wheelbarrow, small but so strong, helping in gardens all day long. X is for X-wing, in space it will glide. OK is for tent, but a really cool ride. Y is for yacht, with sails so white, drifting on water so calm and so bright. Z is for Zeppelin, floating up high, a giant balloon in the wide open sky. Now you know vehicles from A to Z. Which one's your favorite? Tell it to me.